Good day, good vibes, and welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation will focus on manifesting, so let's jump straight into it. Make sure that you are comfortable and close your eyes and begin to use your breathing to help you relax. Take a slow, deep breath in, and when you breathe out, let go of any tension that you may be feeling. Take another slow, deep breath in, and when you breathe out, allow it to help you clear your mind. Take another slow, deep breath in, and when you breathe out, center yourself to this meditation. Take this time for your own well-being. Take this time to bring some relaxation to your mind and body. Allow yourself to relax and let go. Just relax and let the stresses go. Now that you are beginning to feel more calm and peaceful, take the next few moments to choose what you would like to manifest in this meditation. A new job, a new home, holiday, money, to get fit, to have more focus on self-development or healing the body, whatever it may be. What are you most trying to manifest at this moment in your life? You are going to take advantage of this moment and show the universe what you would like to create. And just clarify with yourself the one thing that you are going to manifest in this moment. And in this moment, you must suspend all doubt and believe that it will become your reality. Start to visualize your manifestation. See your goal in all its detail. See exactly what you want to attract in this visualization. What details can you see? What can you see yourself doing? Use this time to bring your manifestation to life and see it as it already exists. What colors can you see in your manifestation? What can you smell in your manifestation? How are others behaving around you? Fully experience what you're manifesting. How is it making you feel? How has it changed your life? Feel the joy that it brings into your life. Let the positive vibrations flow through your manifestation. How are you seeing the world around you? As you're manifesting, your thoughts are becoming clearer and your body feels more at peace. Allow the positive vibration from your manifestation to flow into your body. Feel the higher vibrations in and around you. Allow the energy and joy to expand out into your aura. You are creating the energy that is the hallmark to manifesting your destiny. You have ignited the manifesting process and have shown the universe what you desire. You have created a foundation for your goal. And the more time and energy you put into visualizing and feeling and bringing your manifestation to life, the more you will reap what you sow. Your thoughts are adding energy into its creation. And know that the universe is always working to bring you your manifestation. Always working to bring your manifestation to life. So be clear and direct with your intent. And trust that the universe will bring you what you desire when you are ready to receive it. And the more you work on being your best version and following your gut instinct, the quicker your desires will manifest into your life. You must let go of doubts and trust the universe. And take a moment to become mindful of your breathing, feeling your chest rise and fall. Calm and peaceful. You can take this calm and peaceful feeling forwards with you and let it expand out into your environment. Now begin to bring your attention to your body. Feeling your feet, legs, back, arms, shoulders, neck and head. Have a little stretch if you need to. And slowly begin to become mindful of the room that you are in. Take your time, there's no need to rush. And when you feel present in the room, you can open your eyes.